How to unprivate your TikTok account. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to unprivate your TikTok account. The first thing you need to do is open the TikTok app on your phone. Once the app opens, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen, which will take you to the profile page of your account. On this page, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner, which will open a menu from the bottom of the screen. From the menu that appears, tap on the option named Settings and Privacy. On the Settings and Privacy page, you will see several sections that help you manage your account. Scroll through and tap on the one named Privacy. On the Privacy page, there are different options you can use to control how your account is accessed. Among these options, you will see one named Private Account, which is controlled by a toggle button. If the toggle is enabled, that means your account is currently private and only people you approve as followers can see your videos. To unprivate your account, tap on the toggle button to disable it. Once it is disabled, your account will become public, and anyone on TikTok can see your videos, follow you, and interact with your content. This makes it easier to reach a wider audience if you want to grow your account. However, remember that unprivating your account also means anyone can view your activity. The process is fast and straightforward, and you can always turn it back on if you change your mind later. I hope this tutorial has helped you make the change you need. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to unprivate your TikTok account.